Some issue is coming. So let me check with the with this thing. So you can just copy this. So as soon as you click on the copy, it is asking you to again write the name and just copy. Rest of the things will be the same. It is not asking anything. So here, just again, if you say small cursive writing something, small cursive letter A, A is there already. Small cursive writing A. So just copy and copy and view. It's going somewhere. Okay. Now it's creating backup. So just I will stop this. I think some problem with the copy, but it is possible. We can do the copy also. Okay. So better to avoid that. Like every time you have to create the new process. And once this is done, you can see one more thing here is per page. If you want to increase the courses, so I have 60 plus, I want to see all in one page. So just if you say 100, all the courses it will. So now it is difficult for you to rearrange it up and down. So only 20 is coming, and so next page it is showing another 20. So you cannot move all. So now all 63 is showing, so that easily you can move from here up and down. Easily it can be moved. Just click on this and you can see that. See all the changes. So again, I'll just come back to similarly, this is for all the subjects. So now here we have, again, you can reset it to 20 after arranging. So here course category, so that view only, that is view, leave it, no issues. So manage the courses. Similarly, for all the other subject also, I have given the same in the same way. You can. So here there is one more option. Sort the course. Sorting of the course. What is the sorting of the course? So here we have the different sort the course. Sorting of the course. You can see that sorting by name, sorting by short name, sorting by descending order, ascending order, ID numbers, and all that. So generally, I'll use this one, sorted by created time. Sorted by created time. So if I create right now, so that will be on the top always. Sort as descending order, created time. So it will be as soon as you create, it will be going down only. So sort ascending order, so it's always be on the top. Whatever the course you create, it will be on the top of the course, new courses. So with this, like easily we can move and see now this is done. So this is the restriction again. So LKG, Nair madam can access all LKG and the UKG. Suppose, so if you want to see the second class, first class also. See now here the difference you can see that. So you cannot see this moment, you cannot see the addition, you cannot see anything here. It is restricted. You can see, but you cannot modify anything. It is restricted. So it is not opening anything. Whereas the same case, it is for, suppose Nilufar madam or Smita madam is entering. So they wanted to modify anything in the KG. They cannot do it. they can have the same access in the same way. So similarly, like if I'm the madam is again going for the kg, you can see the difference. So now there is a movement also. See, now there is a movement. So now you can reorder it, we can change it, everything you can do. But whereas in the class 1, class 2, any other, so you don't have the access. You cannot modify anything. So you can just view only the name of the course, but you cannot modify. You can see the difference here. That means you don't have the access for this. So any doubt you can ask me, madam. That's it from my side. I hope if it is clear, you can just go. So how we can view the content? So just I'll go quickly and I will show you to revisit the content, revisit the questions, whatever they have created and all that. Like easily you can go and just check.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, madam.
Yeah, yesterday, like Mrs. Hasina was presenting, no? So there were some mistakes and all. If we want to see like those, like the quizzes, how to see?
Yes, possible. I'll just log out and log into this. Hasina madam, class 1, right? That is class 1 mathematics, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, login as an for madam's login. 29. So now I logged in as an for madam. Okay. So now class 1 mathematics. So which numbers only? No, she has taken numbers only, right? This lesson.
Number names, I think.
Number name. Number name. Number name 51 to 100. This.
Before and after, I think. The content.
Addition, counting. Yeah, counting of numbers 0 to 50. It's not there. Which topic, ma'am? You remember?
I think number names also.
Between, before, after, and number names. This we have seen. Yeah. What comes in between?
Yeah.
That was.
Before, after. This is the one, no?
Yes, sir. Before, after.
Number name 21 to, I think this also. So under this, madam has created some quiz, a lot of things she has done. So now one way under the quiz, if you want to modify that, so you can just go to quiz. So edit quiz. Now you can choose the question. Suppose this question has a problem. So which question has problem? So just go to that question and you can modify. 50. 37. So if you want to modify, if you want to just preview here, you can just preview and you can check. See, these are the set of questions we have. So any question if you want to modify, you can modify the question directly from here.
Yes, sir. Sir, in case if there is like we are going to edit, so it will be like the last changed by whom, that will also reflect.
That will also be shown.
Okay.
That will also be shown. Last who has modified, that also it will be shown. So suppose if I change it here, so 49, I'll make it 50. Suppose you can see, just save. It will show the last modified by Nilufar Rashid, and date and time, everything it will be shown. Created by whom? Created by this Hasina Parveen. So last modified by this one. So you can see the change. Earlier it was not there. If I change here in this, so in this also it is possible.
Okay.
Question bank. So straight away you can go to the question bank also, you can change. So from the quiz also you can change. There are two ways, like I'll just come back to the assignment. There are two ways we can access to the question. So directly straight away, if you want to modify the question under the quiz, you can do that. Otherwise, suppose if you want to check the entire question bank, whatever the teacher has created, the questions are correct, the right answers are marked properly or not, the question asking of question, the texting that is correct or not, that all the question, the entire question bank, if you want to check, so simple way on the top, go to settings, click on more. So now here you have question bank. So question bank, under that you can just click on, so you can see that all the questions. So just now we have modified this question. Okay, it is showing this one. So here you will get all the questions here, whatever the questions they have created. So just go to one by one question and you can see whether it is correct or not. So any changes in the answer, any change in the text, or any change in the question number, order number. So these things can be done easily. So once you spend a little time here, so you'll definitely understand. It's not very difficult. Already we have done all this, but just you have to spend a little time, because first time we are accessing to this. So it will take some time. See, last access, that automatically changes here. Though we have not changed anything, but it is showing last access by whom. So this is the last access from this particular user. So you can revisit, so that they will also come to know that, like, you're visiting their content, they're correcting the things. So similarly, like if you want to go for the next topic, you can go to next topic and just check the other one also. I think addition is here. It's quiz. So under this also, like if you want to modify anything, edit quiz. Yes, the questions are here under this quiz. So these are the questions. So it can be, you can just view before editing, just you can view it. If any changes, if any problem, so then you can go to edit. Just close this, then you can go to edit. Edit, and then you can save also. So this will make your life easy. Like easily you can manage the things, easily you can have an eye on the each and every content. So given the access, you can just check if anything it is not accessible, just take the screenshot and show me, sir, this is the message it is showing. So immediately I'll correct it.
Okay.
If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
No doubt. We will try, then only we can get it.
Madam.
Yes, sir.
Definitely.
And sir, we will not make any changes. We can request our in charges to make changes. We will just go through the
To
content.
avoid any confusion, or if we do something wrong, they have put so much effort. So
Yes.
Yeah.
we can just tell
So
them.
we will go through, just go through, then we can inform them if any changes to be
Yeah.
made.
Maybe you can just take the snapshot and send it to them.
Yeah.
These are the changes you have to make. So I have
Yes.
gone through all the things. These are the changes you can make. So once our bond is perfect, then we can do whatever, like both the way we can manage the things. Of course, so one-handedly, if it is handled, everything under control.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
So there is one more request, sir.
Yes,
So in
ma'am.
case if anybody like you told like yesterday how sir, principal sir had come, like that
Mhm.
the committee members may also, you may invite them. So
Yes.
just you can give us some time, because yesterday it happened. It is not Mrs. Hasina ma'am's like she has put so much effort, but small mistakes were there. If the teachers know like they are going to present, so they can recheck, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So the
No, she
teachers
was.
put so
No,
much effort.
yes,
Uh,
definitely. I agree with you, madam. I agree with you. Because it was a sudden decision. She was also not prepared. She was just created everything, but not reviewed
Yeah,
by
she,
herself.
because no teachers were ready, so at least we appreciate she came forward.
Yes.
But all the teachers are putting the maximum. They are spending time.
Yes.
So in front of the management, like whatever they are doing, that should not go waste, right? Small mistakes also. They are taking so much effort.
Definitely, madam. Definitely. Absolutely, I agree with you. No, it's under production. Fine, madam. It is not gone to any public portal.
No, but even then, sir, as a teacher, like if I would have been in her place, I would have also felt bad, because I'm spending so much time. And when it came for presenting, that
No,
mistakes were noted down. No, so
sir also said nothing.
yeah,
Okay, just
sir
review
didn't
it.
say anything, but as a teacher, I'm
Yes. Definitely. Definitely.
Actually, Nadim sir has informed
Yesterday,
us that he will show to principal sir, but we thought that Nadim sir will just
present.
take it
Yeah,
for
No,
responsibility.
actually, initially I
So,
was planned to present myself. So
yeah,
finally, I decided, see, so much effort the teacher has made, and they have done everything. So I should not take the credit to present the things. So I thought, like, let this opportunity give it to the teacher only. Let the teacher only present it to the principal, so that it will be that teacher also will be satisfied. Okay, chalo, I have done something. I have presented today. So that way, I thought.
means
very thoughtful, sir. But the
yesterday,
teachers also like they were not ready.
just
I,
yesterday I was just going to everyone, means in everyone's window, personal window. Please, you just manage. Please, you just manage. But I knew that Hasina is confident, and she will manage it. So she was also a bit hesitant. But ultimately, she told that, okay, ma'am, I will try my level best.
So we
Though her,
kept one
she
more
was
backup
not
plan. If not Hasina ma'am,
well
then
also.
Sajna.
no
Yeah,
problem.
Sajna also.
That was a short call. Of course, I do agree with you. So mistake is not be pointed out, but as a teacher, fine. Once it is created, it should be perfect. So fine, no problem. So this happens. So next time it will not be happen in this way. We'll
And
properly plan.
after yes, sir. After PTM, the coordinator needs some time.
Mhm.
So I hope that they will get some time to prepare themselves, because there were many who those everyone done hard work, but they
Definitely.
need at least 4 to 5 days. Then
Mhm.
only they can come up in a very confident way, especially when we are talking about management.
Yes, madam. Actually, yesterday after our meeting, I spoke to sir. So probably today, sir said today or tomorrow they are going to send a mail. Sir is proposing
Okay.
Sunday or Monday evening.
Sunday or
Okay.
Monday evening.
At least
Okay.
like
Then
two
it will
chapters,
be
Okay. So they should be ready with two chapters, right, sir?
maximum 2 chapters. Yes.
Maximum 2.
Review
Okay.
everything and just
Sunday or Monday.
yes,
Yeah.
review 2
Okay.
chapters. Of course, we have taken the 4 chapters in the initial target. So review completely two chapters and try to present only that 2
Only
chapters.
first
Of
2
course,
chapters.
we
Yeah.
don't have that much time. Quickly, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, every teacher has to finish. There
and for
also
all the subjects, sir.
all the subjects.
For all the subjects,
All
5 minutes.
Yeah, 5
So we can give them this information so that mentally and physically, everything they will
No,
just get ready with for
what do you
this
feel like?
special meeting.
We should be available. Will take the teachers or not take the teachers
Teachers
into
should
the
No,
be
meeting?
there.
teachers should be there. They have prepared. No, sir. They can
Mhm.
show it well.
Okay. So maybe 2-3 subjects we will take it up and we'll see. Let me check with sir what sir will tell. So accordingly we'll decide, madam, because sir has some different concerns again. Okay, let me check
Okay.
to whom to call. Like,
First you check with principal sir, then let us know by tomorrow, and then
yes,
we will give this information to
sure,
them.
ma'am, sure.
Sir, is it possible that for class 1,
Mhm.
right? For class 1, if I am taking 2 subject,
Mhm.
then for class 2, SPG also 2 subjects. So in
subjects.
this way, we can cover it up
No, possible.
so that everyone will get the chance.
Yes. LKG two sections, 2 subjects. UKG 2 subjects. Class 1 2
Okay.
subjects. Class 2 2 subjects.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, madam. I'll discuss with sir and I'll get back to you on
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you,
So
sir.
I will share this video also. Just go through this. Let's see if you have any problem. You can just take the screenshot and send me. So let's see
Okay.
what I can do.
Okay,
So
sir.
rearranging as per the requirement, you can definitely do that now, because let it be in the order. The term 1, what are the things are covered? Term 2, what are the things are covered? So you can reorder it now.
Okay.
Yes. So with this, I'll conclude, man. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you so much.